All right, I got the Skittles Zero Sugar Wild Berry Variety Pack. Normally when I get a variety pack of something, I don't like all the flavors, but this one I do. I do like all these flavors. We got 4 different flavors here. We got berry punch, raspberry, strawberry, and wild cherry. No fat, no saturated fat, no trans fat, no cholesterol, no sodium, and there are 2 grams of carbs per stick. No sugar. Total sugars, 0 grams. I like that. Couple little vitamins and minerals in here. And this one is 5 calories, and these 3 are 10 calories each. What I like to do with these is put them in a 1 liter bottle. The flavor is strong enough, you just tear the top off. The flavor is strong enough to where I can actually put these inside of a 1 liter bottle and have a strong flavor for an entire liter of water, which I like. Put it in there, shake it up. Look at that. I like that. And this is a good strong flavor. I make sure I drink a lot of water each day. This just flavors it up for me. And man, this stuff tastes good. I love it. Love it.